Alright guys, how you doing? Just a quick update video. I know I've kept you hanging for a little while. You're itching to see the E-Revo bashed on the track, the UDR, and a couple of other videos. So there, I've done the videos, we've been out bashing, we've done all the footage. I've just got to edit them all up now, and then those videos are going to go up online. So yeah, you guessed it, UDR got broken. E-Revo held up better, but kind of broke that as well. Oh, Traxxas X-Maxx, that got pretty much destroyed. The diff's all hanging out the back, shocks are off. Oh dear. Also, I've just got this Tamiya Manta Ray arrived. This was the first car back in the day that got me into RC. My very first hobby grade RC. I've had a couple of Nikos before that, but this was my first proper hobby grade RC car. I was around about 10 years old. I had to put the thing together myself. And Tamiya, or Tamiya, however you call it, I've always called it Tamiya, I've come out with a re-release. And I think it's pretty much exactly the same. It's just got rid of the mechanical speed controller and they put an electronic speed controller in. So this is a brand new 2018 model. So we will be doing an unboxing of that and a little build as well if anybody's interested. I'm still looking to find a genuine original Manta Ray, one of the early release ones in the box, and I'd love to really build one of those again, just to sort of bring back some memories and sort of have one on the shelf. I've still got the original Manta Ray. If anybody's interested, give me a note in the comments. I might make a video about that. Also, the box on this thing looks a lot smaller. I mean, maybe that's because I was a kid at the time and the box looked bigger, but I'm pretty sure this box is smaller than what they used to be. So it's going to take me a few days to get these videos put up, guys, but hold tight. They are going to go up. You're going to see exactly how these cars performed. So if you like this video, guys, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash that bell button to stay notified. Remember, guys, if you don't want to miss them videos, make sure you hit that little bell button so you stay notified. That way, every time I upload a new video, you'll be notified. All right, guys, see you soon. Bye.